Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Bovada to Cash App. Before we begin, it is important to know that Cash App does not support direct transfers from gambling websites like Bovada. To avoid issues, you should first send your Bitcoin to a private crypto wallet and then transfer it to Cash App. Start by setting up a non-custodial crypto wallet such as Exodus or Blockchain Wallet. Download the app, create your account, and securely save your recovery phrase. This wallet will act as the bridge between Bovada and Cash App. Next, log into your Bovada account and open the cashier section. Select Withdraw and choose Bitcoin or BTC as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to cash out. Then open your crypto wallet, copy your Bitcoin receiving address, and paste it into the address field on Bovada. Complete any verification steps, such as entering an SMS code, and submit your withdrawal request. Once the Bitcoin arrives in your crypto wallet, open the Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section. Tap Deposit Bitcoin to display your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Copy that address. Now return to your crypto wallet, tap Send, paste the Cash App Bitcoin address, and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transfer to be processed by the Bitcoin network. After the Bitcoin reaches your Cash App account, open the Bitcoin section again and tap Sell. Select the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert into cash. The money will then appear in your Cash App balance, where it can be spent or transferred to your linked bank account. Thanks for watching.